In this workshop, a skilled worker begins the process of making a strong and durable barbecue grill from a large iron sheet. First, he carefully measures the metal sheet with great accuracy to make sure every part is perfectly sized. After marking the measurements, he uses a large metal cutter to cut the sheet smoothly and precisely. Every cut shows his experience and professional craftsmanship. Next, he starts cutting the smaller metal accessories and supporting parts that will later become important pieces of the barbecue grill. The worker handles each tool with confidence and skill, making the process look smooth and satisfying to watch. Now he carefully folds the corners of the large metal sheet. With perfect control, he bends the metal step by step to create the main body shape of the barbecue grill. After that, he folds the sheet in half with excellent precision, giving the structure its strong and balanced form. To make the body more stable and durable, the worker prepares the side support sheets. He folds these side pieces beautifully so they can support the overall frame properly. Every fold is neat and professional, showing years of experience in metalworking. The worker now begins creating the side handles of the barbecue grill. These handles will later help people lift and carry the grill easily. He carefully shapes the metal and fixes the handles firmly using small pop rivets. One by one, the joints are connected strongly and cleanly. The pop rivets make the structure solid while also giving it a clean, finished look. Next, he starts attaching the 4 side stands of the barbecue grill. These stands are very important because they keep the grill stable while cooking. With steady hands and expert technique, he fixes each stand perfectly into place. At this stage, the basic structure of the barbecue grill is finally complete. Now the worker starts making the inner metal tray that will hold the burning charcoal. He cuts another iron sheet and prepares it carefully. To increase durability and make the grill last longer, thin iron rods are added inside for extra strength and support. After preparing the inner tray, he shapes the large metal sheet using a heavy iron tool and a wooden hammer. Slowly and carefully, he hits the metal to create the perfect curve and fitting. The sound of the hammer and the smooth shaping process make the video even more satisfying to watch. The worker then places 6 to 7 thin iron rods across the metal sheet. These rods are important because they will hold the charcoal properly during cooking. He fixes every rod carefully using pop rivets, making sure the spacing and alignment are perfect. Now the completed inner section is installed inside the barbecue grill. The worker adjusts every part perfectly so the structure becomes strong, balanced, and ready for use. His attention to detail and clean finishing make the final product look professional and durable. Finally, the barbecue grill is fully completed and ready for cooking delicious food. From a simple flat iron sheet to a strong and useful handmade cooking grill, the entire process shows true craftsmanship, hard work, and skillful metalworking. Watching a skilled worker transform raw metal into a finished product like this is both relaxing and satisfying. Every measurement, cut, fold, and pop rivet reflects experience and dedication to the craft. This amazing handmade process proves that skilled workers can create incredible things with simple tools, patience, and talent.